guys, Doug from Pinetree Outdoors here at Bridal Veil Falls in Kagawong, Ontario on Manitoulin Island. And we're here for another installment of the Winter Whiteout Series. It's a chilly morning. It is blowing around. It's probably around 0 or less than 0 degrees Celsius, but we're going to check out the falls and see what they look like at this time of year. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, that's a look at Bridal Veil Falls Winter Whiteout style. Actually really interesting to see how everything looks with all that ice and getting in behind the ice. You see that water flow. It's unbelievable. It's really cool. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. I definitely appreciate all your support. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please do so. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram as well, Pinetree Outdoors. Anyways, have a great week guys. Thank you.